And as always, a big thank you to our sponsor, telecomcareers.com, the industry's largest resume database and jobs board.
First up this morning, news out of Italy. The CEO of Telecom Italia says the company wants to buy some or all of the interest in fiber operator Metroweb. Reports indicate that a purchase of Metroweb, which is based in Milan, would be a tricky regulatory wrangle for Telecom Italia. In fact, reps from Vodafone have written to Italy's antitrust regulators to express concern about the possible deal. Vodafone wants the licensed Italian operators to jointly own Metroweb. And this is just the latest in a trend of mobile operators purchasing metro fiber assets that could go on to be used for tower backhaul, small cell deployment, things like that.
And on the VoLTE topic, KDDI is using Gemalto's Uptech multi-tenant LTE SIM to secure its VoLTE services. KDDI has 40 million subscribers in Japan and can offer both voice and data services on one LTE single network. This isn't the first time the companies have worked together. Gemalto also supplied high-end SIMs, platforms, and services for KDDI's NFC rollout.
And Microsoft has just announced the launch of its most affordable smartphone 4G handset in India.
Good news for people in India.
The Nokia Lumia 638 will be exclusively available on Bharti Airtel's 4G network and cost around $130. Customers can enjoy up to 5 gigabytes of free data on 4G for 2 months.
More big device news this morning. Rumors are flying that Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S6 at Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas next month.
That's right.
The phone is said to be equipped with a new chipset, and Samsung will also reportedly offer a premium version of the phone with a sided edge display and new high-tech resolution camera. We're heading out to CES in a couple weeks,
That's right.
and we'll definitely let you know if the rumors are true.
Yeah, we're excited to go out to Vegas for CES. In fact, we're going to be broadcasting Global Joe and the Mobile Midday News Show live from somewhere in the bowels of the Mandalay Bay Convention Center.
And we hear from our editor-in-chief, Dan Meyer, that it's pretty crazy out there, so
yeah.
it should be quite the experience.
Yeah, we need to rest up over the holidays, and then we'll be ready for that, so be sure to check it out. Axiata, a telecom service provider with a big presence in India, is looking to tighten its belt through a new global framework agreement with network vendors including Ericsson, Huawei, NEC, and SIAE. The company plans to save approximately $100 million over 3 years through a new streamlined business procurement platform that's aimed at efficiency. Global Framework Agreement will enable Axiata Group to benefit from a common platform for the purchase of network equipment and other telecom hardware.
More news out of Asia. This out of South Korea. SK Telecom announced that it will commercialize LTE roaming. In collaboration with China Unicom, the company plans to provide ultra-high-speed LTE data roaming throughout China. This makes 32 countries, including the United States and Japan, that SK Telecom will provide with LTE data roaming services.
Yeah, we did a story earlier in the week about Vodafone increasing the number of countries where they offer the LTE roaming, and a lot of this is just designed for sort of your international business traveler that needs to stay hooked up regardless of where they are.
Yeah, it just keeps expanding.
Yep, so lots of good options there. Back into Europe, Deutsche Telekom is in the process of completing negotiations for the sale of the British mobile telephone subsidiary EE to British Telephone. BT is in exclusive talks with EE owners Orange to buy EE for $19.6 billion. And a quick note to mention this morning, Vodafone Group is receiving $750 million from Canada's export financing agency to help it purchase BlackBerry Limited products.
If you have ever, so Sean, if you've ever struggled with bad Wi-Fi in your office, you know the frustration. Apparently, British workers know the feeling better than anyone. A study was just released claiming workers in the UK are the worst served when it comes to office Wi-Fi availability.
That can be frustrating.
That can be very frustrating.
We were frustrated by this moments ago before we got this broadcast going, as a matter of fact.
Research compiled from 2,500 European desk workers revealed 65% of British professionals have no wireless internet access at work, and 78% experience bad connectivity. That seems really high to me for Britain. That's supposed to be this, developed country that,
British professionals, we feel your pain. And that'll do it for Global Joe. For more on these stories and many others, you can check out rcrwireless.com as well as the RCR Wireless News YouTube channel.
Thanks again to our sponsor, Telecom Careers, and we'll see you back here for Midday News.
There you go.